Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to create a basic Dutch braid focusing on just the tail. It's an easy technique that works as a foundation for so many fun and creative styles. Let's jump right in. Start by dividing your hair into 3 equal sections. If you're new to braiding, you can use a small hair ties to hold the strands in place while you practice. Hold the left and middle strands in your left hand and the right strand in your right hand. I'll start with the left strand, but you can start on either side. The key to a Dutch braid is crossing the strands underneath instead of over. First, cross the left strand under the middle strand. Use your right fingers to hold the new middle strand. Next, cross the right strand under the middle strand. And let your left fingers grab the new middle strand. Now, just repeat. Cross the left strand under the middle and use your right fingers to hold the new middle strand. Then cross the right strand under the middle and use your left fingers to grab the new middle strand. Keep repeating this motion, crossing each strand underneath the middle until you reach the ends of the hair. When you've braided all the way down, tie the ends with an elastic. Now for the finishing touch, you can either leave it as is or gently pull the sides for a fuller look. And that's it, a simple Dutch braid. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more. Check the description for links to other videos and leave a comment. I would love to hear your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you next time.